Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Sukhraj. In this video we will learn about the for loop in Angular. Let's start. I have one array in which I have listed few companies name which are famous for the vehicles like BMW, Tata, Suzuki, Ford, Fiat, Audi. So now I want to list all these vehicles on my browser. How I can list all the vehicles on browser? Suppose I have the one h1 tag, and here to list all the vehicles on the browser, either I can use like this. Let me copy just to speed up it. Companies of zero index, right? So in this way I can copy it, and then let me copy paste first. Now I will change the index here like 1 2 3 4. Now if I will see the browser, at the browser it print BMW, Tata, Suzuki, Ford, Fiat, right? But here suppose like Audi is also there, or in the future I want to add multiple such company name in this particular company's array. So in that case it is not good idea to go like this. So for that we are using the ng4. Now I will use here ng4. How we can use ng4? The tag which we want to repeat again and again based on any condition, in that tag we are using the ng4, and the syntax is ng4 then equal to, then we are saying let company of companies. So this name should match with the name which we have taken here, right? With variable name should match. Now from that particular variable name we are taking one by one object or one by one index value from the array in the company, and now we will use this company here. Now all the companies are visible here: BMW, Tata, Suzuki, Ford, Fiat, Audi. Now the another thing, suppose I want to list them, or I want to take the index of these things, even that we can take very easy. For that just here write index as I. So I will be the index. Let me use it here. I hope you remember it. I am using here this I mean this curly braces is for interpolation. Now I am printing the index as well. Let's see. Now it's saying 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So on. So index is starting from 0. In that case, to list out all the things we can use +1 here. Now I have listed 6 company names here. So ng4 is very simple. Just star ng4. Let is just to declare the variable. I am declaring the variable company of companies of type companies, means for each type in the companies from the each index I am picking the value, putting inside the company, and then using it. And this particular h1 tag will repeat number of times number of element present in the companies. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements present in company. That's why and that h1 tag is repeating 6 times, and visible here all the company names. So that's all in the ng4 loop. Thank you everyone.